If you want the ultimate in privacy the blockchain has to offer, look no further than Monero XMR. This video will teach you how to set up a Monero wallet so you can take advantage of all its privacy features, whether you're on a desktop or laptop computer or your mobile phone. The fastest and easiest way to set up a Monero wallet is with Exodus. It literally only takes a few seconds. If you don't already have an Exodus wallet, simply visit exodus.io/download to find the latest versions. You can also type Exodus Wallet in the iOS App Store and Google Play Store. We're going to look at the desktop app first, and then mobile. Open the desktop app and click the wallet icon in the top bar. Go to the magnifying glass on the left and type XMR or Monero in the search field. Click Monero to activate the Monero wallet, and that's it. You now have a Monero wallet that's ready to receive XMR. Click the Receive button to see your unique Monero address. You may notice a spinning icon here, which is just Monero syncing to a node. If you would like to see the sync progress, click the Monero menu icon in the top right-hand corner, then click Advanced Options to see the sync progress. Since this is a brand new wallet, it won't take long. For those who run their own Monero node, Exodus gives you the option to connect to a custom Monero node. Just click Set Custom Node. The node URL I'm using here is just for demonstration. You can also set up a Monero wallet on your mobile phone in just a few steps. Once you download Exodus and open the app, tap the profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner. You'll see a big list of assets as you scroll down. Type XMR or Monero in the search field and then tap the toggle to activate the Monero wallet. Go back to the portfolio screen, and there's Monero. Access the Monero menu from the top right-hand corner to see the sync progress and add a custom node if that's an option for you. Now you're ready to securely store your XMR at home or on the go. If you want to learn more about Monero or want to sync your desktop and mobile wallets so you can access the same Monero wallet from multiple devices, watch the videos on the right to learn more. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Let us know in the comments your experience with Monero and what other videos you'd like to see.